Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, a question was asked in AIMS PG. Which of the following is alpha adrenergic agonist? And the options given are clonidine, methyl-dopa, guanfacine, and guanfacine, guanabens and guanfacine. Okay, so if you see, all these are alpha agonists itself, but the best answer here is alpha methyl dopa, because alpha methyl dopa is a prodrug and it gets converted to alpha methyl norepinephrine, which will act on the alpha receptors. So if you were asked which of the following is not, so this is not direct alpha agonist. Okay, thank you for watching.
Thank you and thank you for watching.